You're making more sauce today?
Yes, I make because I want to make our stuffed peppers.
Ah, stuffed peppers.
And I need the sauce.
Okay.
This I cook the rice, and I cook a little chop of meat. Then I put a little cheese.
What kind of cheese, Pia?
Roman, Pecorino Romano.
Pecorino Romano.
Yeah.
A little bit of water.
Spatach.
Just breaking it up a little bit.
Oh, I gotta break it up with the rice.
It's
But
one
you
of my
gotta learn
favorites.
how to make because Grandma not gonna be here too long.
Where do you get these peppers?
I love farmer market.
Farmer's market, right? They're the best. Grandma, there's a spot you ripped this one.
Yeah.
You don't have to cut it. What are you gonna do now?
You gotta use the eggs. You gotta broken the glass and a dish because in case of the rot.
Ah. Because if it's a bad one, it ruins the whole meal. Okay. Mix everything with your hands.
Make too much. My hands clean, Tony.
All right. That's it. That's easy.
So easy.
You put the oil in the frying pan.
Yeah.
Love to hear that sound.
I'm done with this one. Peppers. Yeah.
Okay. Look at that sauce.
Look.
Ooh, you're gonna put the fresh sauce? Ooh, wow. Yeah. You're gonna make people hungry.
This is for we have for dinner. We have this.
You're making me
meatloaf.
hungry now. Look at that steam. Smells good.
One more. I'm gonna boil them easy. But
Easy.
not very slow cooking.
Okay. How's it look?
Right.
Good?
Yeah, cook. Must cook. And I'm
Yeah.
finished. You're gonna eat now.
All right, time to eat. Look at those peppers.
So bon. I don't know, so bon.